DIY boiled cider, also known as cider syrup or apple molasses. To make this recipe, you will need apple cider or unfiltered apple juice, and it could not be easier. In a large pot, bring your apple cider to a boil, reduce the heat to a simmer, and simmer, stirring occasionally until the cider has reduced to 1/8 of its original volume. In my case, I started with half a gallon or 8 cups of apple cider, and so once my cider has reduced to 1 cup, it is ready. You want to err on the side of runny rather than thicker, because even though your ultimate goal is a syrup that has the consistency of warm honey or maple syrup, the cider will continue to thicken as it cools, so if you overcook it, you could end up with a burnt apple jelly. Just let it cool and use as desired in baked goods, in cocktails, anywhere you want a punch of sweet tart apple flavor. We have a great recipe for baked apple cider donuts or a bundt cake on our website. Visit us there at arkansasonline.com/cooking.